Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. I hope you all had a great new year, and it's the start of 2023. This is our first video of Owen's Treats in 2023, so I thought we should make a super simple recipe, and I got this recipe from my aunt, so I just want to thank her very much. The recipe we'll be making today is German apple strudel. When I tried it, it was super delicious, so with that, let's get started. So to make our apple strudel, we will need 4 Granny Smith apples, honey to taste, lemon juice, cinnamon, ginger, 1 cup of golden raisins, 1 sheet of puff pastry, frozen thawed, 1 egg, and then 1/4 cup of milk. So now that we have all of our ingredients, we're going to start with our first step. We're going to combine all of our ingredients, or most of them, into our apples. So we have our honey, and then not too much, just a little bit. I'd say around 2 tablespoons is about enough honey. Then we have a little bit of lemon juice, and then most of these ingredients are just kind of eyeballing them. So I want to say around maybe a teaspoon. Then we're going to need some ground cinnamon. We want enough so I can properly cook the apples. And then a little bit of ginger. I want to say maybe half a teaspoon on this. And then we want our 1 cup of golden raisins. Now I'm going to put some cling wrap over these apples and maybe let them sit for around 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to roll our puff pastry and put the apples on our pastry and then move on to our next step. We're going to start on our dough. So we have our puff pastry dough, frozen thawed. And we're going to unroll it. We're going to start layering our apples. So we're going to put an apple in the middle. And we're just going to kind of layer it, and we're going to leave a little bit of room in between kind of our middle. So you want to think about this in like sections. So long ways out, you want to leave at least a few inches of space on either side of our little middle. And I'm going to take some of our raisins that might be left on the bottom, and I'm just going to scoop some of them up and kind of put them over. So I'm going to take a sharp knife, so be careful. And I'm going to cut out little strips that are going to kind of go over it. So I'm going to try my best to demonstrate this. So I want like little rectangles that kind of hang on the side. And same thing on the other side. Now that we have our strips all cut out, I'm going to take one of our rectangles and I'm going to fold it down and then across almost. I'm going to do this with the other side as well. So we kind of get a right situation going, and then we're going to go to the opposite side and do the same thing. So we kind of get this cross hatching instead of braiding. Now that we have our apple strudel assembled, we're going to do the egg wash on top. So I have our 1/4 cup of milk from before, and then our 1 egg. And we're going to use these 2 for our egg wash. Then I'm going to use my mini whisk, and I'm going to beat this together. Then we're going to take our brush. So now that we have our egg wash on our apple strudel, you can do a few things with this. You can either sprinkle it with a little bit more cinnamon, or if you want to put some brown sugar or white sugar on top of it. We're going to pop this in the oven, our 400-degree preheated oven, for around 35 to 40 minutes. And here is our German apple strudel out of the oven. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!